In this practice, we're going to take care of our feelings of anxiety. Anxiety can often feel so overwhelming, so let's just take a few moments to breathe, relax, and come back to where we are. Wherever you are, go ahead and get comfortable and gently close your eyes. Our body is always here in this moment, but our mind is not. Our mind is either in the past, reliving old memories, or in the future, thinking about all the things that may or may not happen. And right now, if you're feeling anxious, your mind is in the future. So let's bring it back to where we are right now. Take a moment to feel your body. Feel it being supported by whatever you're sitting or lying on, and allow yourself to relax completely into it. Start to breathe a little bit deeper and a little bit slower, feeling your lungs fill up as you breathe in and relaxing as you breathe out. If your mind starts to run off into the future, just notice it and bring your attention back to the feeling of your breath. And just breathe for a few moments, feeling yourself relax a little bit more with each breath you take. See if you can feel your anxiety somewhere in your body. Maybe in your shoulders, or your chest, or your throat. If you can't, it's all good. Just keep breathing. If you are able to physically feel your anxiety, allow it to be where it is, and breathe deeply into it. The seeds of anxiety are within all of us, so don't feel like there's something wrong with you for feeling like this. You're right where you need to be, doing exactly what you need to be doing to care for these feelings. Just continue to breathe deeply into your body, creating a little bit more space around your anxiety with each breath you take. As you continue to take nice, deep breaths, ask yourself, is everything okay right now, in this moment? Many times our thoughts of the future can convince us that we're not okay right now. But really, everything is okay. You're okay. As you breathe in, you can say silently to yourself, in this moment, and as you breathe out, you can say silently to yourself, everything is okay. And as you do, really feel these words sink deep into your understanding as you feel the peace of each breath you take. Whenever your anxiety feels overwhelming, come back to this moment. Use your breath, use your body to come back to where you are. And remember that in this moment, everything is okay. You're okay. And come back to this practice anytime you need to. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes.